hill in the background. We had to turn it down for right. We are pulling up to the airport now. Shout out to my ride. It's hectic dark, but that's okay. Flight leave at 6:30. I was supposed to be there at 12. Y'all ain't never been to San Jose Airport. The drive-up is something amazing. The airport. Here now.
Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have.
I'm ready. I'm here.
Yeah, it's long enough. Like, oh, great. It's
Huh. Yeah, out here. Look like we did in a downtown area or something. But we are here. I said I'm gonna document everything. It's your boy Impaktat. Traveling through the Bay. Another episode. Last time we was in. Where did we go last time? I think we went to Las Vegas.
It feels like Vegas right here.
A little bit. But ain't no people out here. But let's go see what's going on.
Julian Piano Bar.
Decided to come get some food. We're in Elmhurst now. So the flight was good. I'm at a Mexican restaurant. Shout out to California, but Chicago or Illinois got some Mexican food too. See if I can get the name of this place. I got went with the Old Faithful. Got the burrito, chicken burrito. See what it hits up. Back, got my food, got my 7-Up, my burrito, and we about to finish off this night. Oh, we need wine. Oh shit. This is dead grass. What's up, man? We here. I gotta figure out how to hold my camera. I'm just chilling, loving it, and enjoying it. Got some Mexican food. We'll put that up a little bit later so y'all can see. I'm actually eating now. My burrito. This is the burrito. What do you think? Chicken, lettuce. Lettuce in the burrito is crazy. In Chicago. It's good though. It's like Chipotle times 1. No, it ain't terrible.
So a lot of people like using those.
Love that.
So what's the idea behind the wiffle ball? Elevating.
We have Portillo's.
Well, now
All right, so I got the beef with the regular cheese sauce. We have Portillo's. Let's go ahead and get a look at that cheese sauce. Oh, yeah. Liquid gold. This is the Italian beef. I've been waiting for this for years. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my Chicago natives. They said this is like the chain restaurant of Italian beef, and I got to go to the city into an authentic place, but you know, I'm only here for a short time, so I got to get it how I live today. Okay. Got the nice little bread going on. Okay. Woo. That's the pepper? Oh, it's going down. Let's go. Gonna put some cheese on there. Oh. Let's go. Time for the big reveal. This beef is so tender. I thought the bread was gonna be hard, but look at that. Amazing. So it tastes like, it looked like a cheesesteak. It's not a cheesesteak. It's more, the meat is more tender than cheesesteak. And it's got like that meat gravy sauce where, not real gravy, like thick black folk gravy, but when the meat's sitting in its own juices and making that ooh-wah. Then they got this pepper. The pepper just adds like this sweet accent. This is one of the best sandwiches out of all sandwiches that I have. And I was worried about it just being beef, right? If you look at it, it's just beef. I thought it was gonna be some dry. Nothing about this is dry. Well, that we multiply. Going from no one. You see that? A Portillo's. I'm dunking my cheese. Let me know in the comments below if you think I like it or not. How about that? People at Impaktat with Government to the Bay. In Chicago, Portillo's. There ain't much more I can say. Come get you some.
I enjoy all my moments, man. Yep. One of these days, like you said, I'm gonna talk to you, man. But next time,
Ladies and gentlemen.
Every time I see these, I record them and put them in my videos. I finally get to see the back too. Big square.